Hey folks, today was a roller coaster ride for the US markets, starting slightly in the red as trade tensions flared up with both the EU and China. Wall Street opened to a sea of uncertainty with accusations flying about violations of the current trade truce. Adding fuel to the fire, the Institute for Supply Management reported a tiny uptick in the manufacturing PMI for May. But don't get too excited, it's still in contraction territory for the fourth straight month. Even more troubling, the import index hit its lowest level since 2009. But wait, it wasn't all doom and gloom. Shares of Cleveland-Cliffs skyrocketed by 23.2% after President Trump announced he was doubling tariffs on steel and aluminum from 25% to 50%. Other U.S. steel companies like Nucor and Steel Dynamics also saw significant gains. It was a surprise move, folks. Analysts are calling it counterproductive and predicting it won't last 3 months. Now, despite all this drama, investors managed to push the major indexes into the green by the closing bell. The Dow and S&P 500 ended mostly flat, while the Nasdaq edged up by 0.28%. On the bond side, the 10-year Treasury yield rose by 1% to 4.462%, and the 30-year yield climbed 1.3% to 4.995%. Even the crypto world saw a bit of action today. Bitcoin was up 0.2%, Ethereum gained 3%, Litecoin rose by 1.4%, and BNB edged up by 0.8%. So, what a day, right? From trade wars to market rebounds, it's clear that keeping an eye on these developments is crucial for any investor. Stay informed, stay invested, and, as always, keep your cool. That's all for today, folks. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more market updates.